Hey everyone, it's Ryan with Holloway Benefit Concepts. In the past, we've done a lot of videos, a lot of blogs. We've talked a lot about health savings accounts and using them as a savings vehicle to get you to retirement. What we've realized is not a lot of people are talking about what you can actually do with your HSA when you're getting closer to retirement or actually at retirement. Because there's some rules that change, there's some different things you can do. That's honestly why we're a big fan of these savings accounts, because they morph into something a little bit different that can truly be beneficial for you and your financial situation. So I'm going to share some tips today on some things that you can do with your health savings account as you work towards retirement, or once you get there, things that you're probably not aware of. So number one, if you retire early or if you're unemployed, you can actually use the money in your health savings account to pay for your premiums. Now, on the unemployed side, you have to be on unemployment, so there is a trigger there. So be sure that you're getting that. Be sure you talk to your HSA provider and are in line with the rules. Another awesome benefit, if you're looking at getting long-term care insurance, or maybe you have it already, you can actually pay those premiums with your HSA. Now, as you get older, the amount that you can pay does increase, but that's another thing that a lot of people don't realize. Another really cool benefit, as you're getting closer to retirement, once you're age 55, if you're still working and you're contributing to your HSA, you can actually put an extra $1,000 per year into that savings account just because of your age. Quick tip, if you and your spouse are both on HSAs and are both over age 55, in order for you both to contribute that extra $1,000, you each need to have your own individual HSA. So break them up, make that extra $1,000 contribution if you can on both sides, but that's the way you can maximize that tax savings. Okay, so now let's talk about once you get to retirement, what can you do with the HSA? How does it change? How does it differ? But one of the real cool things, once we all get to retirement, we're probably all going to end up on Medicare, right? With your HSA, you can actually pay for certain Medicare premiums with your savings account, which is great because otherwise you'd be paying out of your pocket or possibly paying out of your Social Security. And the last and my favorite thing about HSAs, once you get to retirement, it turns into a true retirement account, just like a 401k. If you want to go buy a boat, great. If you've got the money in your HSA, you can pull it out of there and go buy that boat. What happens? You're going to be taxed on dollars at that time based on your age, your tax bracket, etc. But you can use those monies for other things. It doesn't have to be limited to medical, dental, vision like it primarily does pre-retirement. So remember, an HSA is a great vehicle not only for the employees who have them, but also for business owners to offer to their employees and even the business owners themselves. It's not only providing tax savings now, it can provide tax savings and financial incentives long-term, pre- and post-retirement. So hopefully you have some great ideas on how you can better use your HSA in the future when you get to retirement. This is Ryan with Holloway Benefit Concepts. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.